Generations of children have fond memories of enjoying a sunny day, sitting in a lawn or a field, making clover flower chains. It's a fun and simple activity at any age, even if you're not a crafty person. As long as you can make a loop, you can make a clover flower chain. Steps for making a clover flower chain. Step 1. Gather flowers with stems that are 3 inches or longer. Cut or pinch the flower stem off at the base of the plant. You can place flowers in a cup of water until you're ready to begin. Step 2. Start with the flower and make a loop in the stem to start the knot. Slip another flower stem through the loop and then tighten the knot. Step 3. Glide the knot up to the base of the flower. Step 4. Continue adding flowers until the desired length is achieved. Step 5. Continue to add as many flower stems as you need to get the length you want. Join the stem of the last flower to the first flower to complete the loop. For the 6th and final step, you can snip off any excess stem close to the knots for a tidier appearance.